Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Friends, I will show you step by step how to fill a visa application form Italia. So friends, go to this website vistoperitalia.esteria, and then all you have to do, friends, you should be complete the steps. You need to enter your visa to come here, enter your nationality here, for example Algerian, choose this country Algerian, and write your length of your stay, and then the reason for your stay. From go to answer, click go to answer, you can see here. After that, friends, you should be complete all this step and read this all information to get your information. You can edit here, click this as a PDF form. You should be submit this form PDF, and then you will see, guys, you should be implement this one, and then this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content.